Toasted spices and ground lamb are cooked over an open flame. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are preparing for summer and making double quarter-pound lamb and feta burgers. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Preheat grill to medium-high heat, around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. As the grill heats, prepare lamb patties. Start by gathering spices: garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and paprika. Place spices into a dry skillet over low heat. But first, take a moment to give this recipe a thumbs up and share it. Check out our channel for other easy grilled recipes. If you like what you see, subscribe and click on notifications to know when we release new videos. Cook until fragrant, 2 to 3 minutes. Pour in olive oil and whisk to form a paste. It should look like this. Mince garlic, fresh rosemary, and cilantro stems. Add all 3 to the skillet. Stir and cook 1 minute. Remove from heat to cool. Place ground lamb into a bowl. Pour in mustard, and thoroughly combine. Pour in cooled spice mixture. Combine spices into meat. Along with cilantro leaves. Evenly divide lamb into fourths and form into 4 patties. What's your go-to grilled food? Leave your response in the comments below the video. Once the grill heats up, spray the grate with nonstick spray. Place lamb patties onto the grate. Cover and cook 4 minutes. Flip patties. Cover and cook 3 to 5 minutes. See the video's description for internal temperatures. Remove from grill and toast buns. If you are enjoying this recipe, make sure to like and share it. Also, subscribe below. This small act helps our channel grow. Sprinkle feta cheese onto the patties and tint with oil 3 minutes. To put burgers together, place 2 grilled patties on top of the bottom bun. Dress each burger with lettuce, tomato, and onion. If you like, sprinkle on more feta cheese. And place the top bun with the dressing over the bottom bun with the lamb. This is a delicious burger. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.